Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how you can generate your own custom sound effects using AI, and the best part is, it's completely free. Let's jump right in. First, let's fire up Chrome. Next, search for AudioBox. Now, click on the first link to visit the AudioBox website. Once you're on the AudioBox website, head over to the Capabilities section. Click on Sound Effect to start generating your own custom sound effects. Now, type in the text for which you want to generate a sound effect. For example, let's try keyboard typing. Click on Generate to let the AI work its magic. Let's give it a minute to generate the sound effect. Once it's done, simply click on Download to save your custom sound effect to your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy sound designing!